What is Vinyasa Yoga? The scene transitions to the host sitting comfortably in a cross-legged position, speaking directly to the camera. Host. Vinyasa Yoga is often referred to as flow yoga because of the smooth way that the poses run together. The word vinyasa itself means to place in a special way, which in yoga refers to a sequence of poses that are linked together with breath. Cut to visuals of different vinyasa poses being practiced in a fluid sequence. Host. Voiceover in Vinyasa Yoga. Each movement is synchronized with an inhale or an exhale, creating a rhythm that aligns body, breath, and mind. This flow not only builds physical strength and flexibility but also enhances mental focus and relaxation. Benefits of Vinyasa Yoga. The host stands up and begins to demonstrate some simple poses, explaining their benefits. Host practicing Vinyasa Yoga regularly can bring numerous benefits, including 1. Improved cardiovascular health. The continuous flow of movement keeps your heart rate elevated, providing a great cardiovascular workout. 2. Enhanced flexibility. As you move through different poses, you'll gradually increase your flexibility and range of motion. 3. Strength building. Vinyasa engages all major muscle groups, helping to build strength, especially in your core, arms, and legs. 4. Stress relief. The focus on breath and movement helps calm the mind and reduce stress, promoting a sense of inner peace. 5. Increased body awareness. As you connect with your breath and movement, you develop a deeper awareness of your body and its capabilities. Warm-up sequence. The host moves to the mat and invites viewers to join them in a warm-up sequence. Host. Before we dive into our Vinyasa flow, let's take a few moments to warm up. Come to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and begin to focus on your breath. Guides viewers through deep breathing exercises and gentle stretches, preparing the body for the flow. Host. Now that we are warmed up, let's move into our Vinyasa flow. Remember, the key is to move with your breath, letting it guide you through each transition. Vinyasa flow sequence. The host demonstrates a simple Vinyasa flow sequence, speaking as they move. Host. Let's begin in mountain pose, Tadasana, standing tall with your feet together, grounding down through your feet. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, fold forward into a forward bend, Uttanasana. Continues guiding the viewers through the sequence. Inhale, lift halfway up to a flat back, Ardha Uttanasana. Exhale, step back into plank pose, Phalakasana. Inhale, shift forward and lower down to Chaturanga, Chaturanga Dandasana. Exhale, press into upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, transition to downward facing dog,